So we're here on Wood Prairie Family Farm. I'm Megan, and I have some Keuka Gold potatoes. We're gonna throw them in the oven and see how they come out. I like to put them on a spear so they stay where I put them. And I've got the oven set at 400. And in they go. So we have some Keuka Gold potatoes in the oven. They've been baking for an hour at 400 degrees. And you can tell that these are done because the house smells awesome. And also, get a towel for this. You press on them and those feel soft all the way through. So these are all nicely baked. I'll show you. I'm pushing that in. You can feel that soft. All right, so let's see what the Keuka Gold look like when they're baked. We'll break one of these open here. I'm gonna break that open and puff it up. That's hot. So that's nice and dry inside. That's a nice dry baked potato. Nice gold color. Man, is that gonna be good with some butter. And a little pinch of sea salt. Those are your Keuka Gold.